3D laser scan to Bimservices company for accurate Asbuilts NYC USA. With the help of laser scanning technology, accurate as-built models can be created for construction projects in NYC, USA, and even at the SCON design in Bangalore. This technology allows for the creation of highly detailed and precise 3D models of existing structures, which can then be used for various purposes such as renovation, retrofitting, and facility management. These data points are then processed using specialized software to create a point cloud, which is essentially a highly accurate 3D representation of the scanned object. This point cloud can be further processed to generate a building information model, BIM, which includes detailed information about the structure's geometry, materials, and other relevant attributes. Traditional methods of as-built documentation such as manual measurements and sketches are prone to errors and can be time-consuming. On the other hand, laser scanning technology captures precise measurements in a matter of minutes, reducing the chances of errors and saving valuable time for construction professionals. Another benefit of 3D laser scan to Bimservices company is the level of detail it offers. The captured point cloud data can be used to create highly detailed 3D models that accurately represent the existing structure. This level of detail allows architects, engineers, and contractors to make informed decisions during the design and construction phases of a project. It also enables them to identify clashes or conflicts between existing and proposed elements, minimizing costly rework and ensuring a smooth construction process. Furthermore, 3D laser scan to Bimservices company can significantly improve collaboration among project stakeholders. The accurate as-built models created through this process can be easily shared with all relevant parties, including architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers. This ensures that everyone involved in the project has access to the same reliable information, leading to better coordination and communication throughout the project life cycle. In conclusion, 3D laser scan to Bimservices company for accurate as-builts is a game-changer in the construction industry. It offers unparalleled accuracy, detailed information, and improved collaboration among project stakeholders. Whether it's in NYC, USA or at the SCON design in Bangalore, this technology is transforming the way construction projects are executed, leading to more efficient and successful outcomes. Construction projects in New York City, the United States, and even at the SCON design in Bangalore, India, can benefit from the use of laser scanning technology to build precise as-built models. Renovating, retrofitting, and managing a building's facilities are just some of the many possible applications of this technology's ability to create highly comprehensive and accurate 3D models of pre-existing structures. After collecting these data points, specialized software reconstructs an extremely precise 3D model of the scanned item known as a point cloud. A building information model, BIM, can be created from this point cloud. A BIM contains information about the geometry, materials, and other properties of a building. Manual as-built documentation techniques like taking measurements and making sketches can be tedious and error-prone. However, laser scanning equipment can take accurate measurements in a matter of minutes, saving construction experts both time and decreasing the likelihood of human error. The added precision of a 3D laser scan is a great asset to building information modeling services. The collected point cloud data can be used to make 3D models that are incredibly detailed and faithful representations of the real thing. The architects, engineers, and contractors involved in a project can now make well-informed judgments during the planning and building stages because to this level of information. It also helps them spot potential problems with the building, such as collisions between the current structure and the new additions. Moreover, 3D laser scan to Bimservices company can greatly enhance communication between all parties involved in a project. Architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers all have easy access to the precise as-built models produced by this method. This guarantees that everyone involved in the project has access to the same reliable information, leading to greater collaboration and communication throughout the project life cycle. Overall, the use of 3D laser scanning technology coupled with Bimservices company for accurate as-builts has the potential to revolutionize the building sector. It's unique in its precision, depth of data, and ability to enhance communication between all parties involved in a project. Whether in New York City, USA, or at the SCON design in Bangalore, India, this technology is improving the efficiency and effectiveness of construction projects everywhere. Laser scanning technology may be used to create accurate as-built models, which is useful for construction projects everywhere from New York City to the SCON design in Bangalore, India. This technology's capacity to generate highly detailed and precise 3D models of existing structures has numerous potential uses, including renovation, retrofitting, and facility management. Specialized software then reconstructs an incredibly accurate 3D model of the scanned object from these data points, which is referred to as a point cloud. From this point cloud, a building information model, BIM, can be made. A BIM details a structure's dimensions, materials, and other attributes. Manual as-built documentation methods, such as measuring and sketching, can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes. However, modern laser scanning technology allows for precise measurements to be taken in a matter of minutes, greatly reducing the potential for human error and saving time for construction professionals. The accuracy of a 3D laser scan is a significant improvement to Bimservices. By using the acquired point cloud data, extremely accurate and comprehensive 3D models can be created. Because of this wealth of data, architects, engineers, and contractors can now make educated decisions during the design and construction phases of a project. Potential building issues, such as bumps between the old and new sections, can also be spotted with this method. Also, 3D laser scan to Bimservices company can improve collaboration by showing everyone exactly what is going on in a project in high detail. The exact as-built models generated by this technology are easily accessible to architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers. This ensures that all parties involved in the project have access to the same authoritative data, which improves coordination and communication at every stage. Together, 3D laser scanning and building information modeling, Bimservices company have the potential to completely alter the construction industry. It's unparalleled in its ability to improve collaboration between all stakeholders involved in a project and its precision and depth of data. Thanks for watching.